Hi there, it's Nancy Knight. I'm here today with an active learning attribute tray activity about items that fit together. And I have collected items from around my house that have two parts, or maybe more than two parts sometimes, that fit together. And this topic is actually a very mathematical topic because of the shape and size and form that these items take in order to be able to fit together. So here is my attribute tray. It's a big plastic container full of items I've collected around the house that fit together. So let's take a look at these items. The first item in my tray is an ordinary plastic food container. It has a part where you put the food, and it has a part that goes on top called the lid. And look at how these items fit together. They go together, I push on it, makes a snapping sound, and look at that. These items fit together perfectly, the container and the lid. The next item I have in my tray is an empty tea canister. And this item also has a lid. This lid is round. It's the exact same size and shape, or you can see a little tea left in my canister as the canister, and I put them together. Look at that. They fit together perfectly. It's a tight seal, and my tea will stay fresh in the tea canister. Let's see what else I've got in my attribute tray. I have a set of measuring cups that fit together. Look at this. When you look at it from the side, it just looks like one cup. But when I lift it up, there's another cup, and then even a third cup. We've got 3 cups that fit together. 1, 2, 3. Stacking measuring cups fit together. That way they can go in the drawer, nice and neat. Another item I have from my kitchen, it's actually 2 items that fit together. It's a pot and the lid. The lid and the pot have the same round shape, and they're matched perfectly. Here's the pot, and the lid fits right on. The pot and the lid, items that fit together. Here's another item I found in my drawer. It's a little box with 2 parts that fit together. Here's the inside, and here's the outside, and they fit together. I slide the rectangular shaped inside box into the rectangular shaped outside box. Look at that. They fit together so perfectly. The items that fit together. I found some puzzles too. Right now, this just looks like a black square, but guess what? Inside, there's a square piece that fits inside this square opening. So here we go. I'm going to put the square piece into the puzzle. Those 2 items fit together perfectly. And I have another piece from that puzzle. Take a look. Right now, it doesn't look like there are 2 pieces, but when I push on the middle, the circle comes out. I've got a circular puzzle piece, and the puzzle that it fits into, they're the exact same round shape. They fit together perfectly when I put the circle into the puzzle. It's a perfect fit. Items that fit together. Well, here's an interesting item. Lots of people have markers at home, and this has 2 parts that fit together. I pulled on it. I pulled off the top. There's the top, and here's the part that you write with. When you're finished, you can put these two items back together. I'm going to have to watch while I do this to make sure I put the top right back on the bottom. The top and the bottom fit together. Here's another interesting item. It's a lock and a key. The key is in the bottom of the lock. I'm going to take the key out and show you how they fit together. The lock and the key, they fit together perfectly. The lock and the key fit together. Here's another interesting item. It's a little plastic flute. It has two parts that fit together. If I have just this part, it doesn't sound like much. If I have this part, it doesn't sound like anything. It only works if I put the two parts together. That fits together. Now this is a very handy item here. This is my eyeglasses case, and inside, a perfect fit are my extra glasses. These two items fit together. The glasses fit right inside. I can close that up. That's a perfect fit. Items that fit together. Well, I've got a bag of pegs, colorful pegs. A lot of people have toys and games and puzzles at home with parts that fit together. These pegs fit together. You can put them one on top of the other. So I've got an orange peg. I'm going to fit in a green peg. I'm going to fit in a red peg. And I'm going to fit in a yellow peg. Take a look at that. Now I've got a stack. Got a stack of pegs that fit together. And when I'm done, I can take them off because they fit together, but they don't have to stay together. Those go back in the bag. And here's my last item for today, something that fits together. And these are a set of measuring spoons. And you can see there's quite a lot of them, but they fit together very beautifully. It's a set. And they've all fit together into a nice bunch. My measuring spoons that fit together. All right, well, I'm going to put my items back in the attribute tray, all the items that fit together that we used today. And I hope that you can find some items around your house, maybe a pot and a lid. And you can use them to talk about ways that items fit together and cover this very mathematical topic. I hope you've enjoyed the attribute tray activity. Thank you, goodbye, and see you next time.